Hey guys, welcome to BdThemes. Today we'll introduce our new Wixer Carousel Widget. Wixer Carousel is the brother of Wixer Grid Widget that presents a clean and calm blog interface for your website. It's a beautiful and minimalistic widget design made by the Ultimate Post Kit plugin. Let's see how it works. This is the first look of the carousel. You can hover over the posts to see the title, underline style, and hover animation. From the layout section, you can choose between the two layout styles for the widget. While the first style has images, the second style is only with texts. Let's go back to the first one. You can have a maximum of 6 columns for the carousel. Keep image size to the maximum to preserve high resolution. You can also select a position for the content: left, right, or the center. Adjust the column gap to properly create distance between the two carousel items. On the query section, you can adjust the number of items visible for the carousel. Right below, you can select the source of the carousel and include/exclude options. Let me show you how the include option works. Let's click the field and select terms. On the new field, type what category you want to display and select it. Now the carousel will only show posts from the selected category. After that, you can sort them out by date and order. The additional section is filled with switchers that shows or hides specific items on the carousel, like how you can set a limit for the text on the posts. Let's adjust it to something suitable. On the navigation section, you'll find arrows, dots, progress, and combinations for the carousel. Let's go with the dots. There's so many items and dots. Let's go to the query and quickly reduce the item limit to 3. Now that's better. The carousel settings section has animations option and controls for the Wixer carousel. You can change the carousel direction between vertical and horizontal. Also, you may choose carousel or cover flow for the layout. Other than that, there's autoplay, loop, and other switchers available. Jumping to the Style tab, the first section lets you change the background color of the carousel items. For instance, let's pick a gradient color for the background. Once done, let's change the title color to white. You may pick a hover style for the title here. Let's make the text white too. Decrease the opacity a bit. Let's do the same for the meta texts. The post category is at the top of the image on the left corner. Go to the category section and change its background. Same color as the content box. Make the counter number below the posts white too. As for the navigation dots, we can do the same color for the active mode. Pick a lighter color for the normal mode. If you change the border radius of the dots, you can make it square instead of circles. Also, increase the width and height to make it into a modern burst. Let's adjust the offset value to position the navigation burst correctly. Perfect! Look how cool it is to have the Wixer Carousel for your blog site. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.